Ever wonder how a morning cup of coffee in Paris costs a different amount than one in Tokyo? It's all about currency exchange rates, and understanding them is the key to navigating the exciting world of Forex trading. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. And today, we're diving into the world of major currency pairs. In Forex trading, buying and selling currencies can mean big profits, but before you jump in, understanding these key pairs is essential. All right. So, Forex trading is all about buying and selling currencies, like swapping your dollars for euros for that dream vacation. But there's a whole system behind it, and that's where major currency pairs come in. Think of these pairs as the power couples of the Forex market. They represent the most traded combinations of currencies, usually involving the heavyweights, the economies of powerful countries. Each pair has two sides: the base currency, which is the one you're buying, and the quote currency, which tells you how much of the quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base. For example, in EUR/USD, the euro is the base currency, and the USD is the quote. So you'd be saying, how many US dollars do I need to buy 1 euro? Basically, understanding major currency pairs is like learning the language of Forex trading. It unlocks a whole world of opportunities. Now, let's meet the rock stars of the Forex market. The legendary Big Three currency pairs. These are the EUR/USD, USD/JPY, and GBP/USD, and they hold the top spots for a reason. Buckle up, because we're throwing some stats your way. Number 1. Eurodollar, EUR/USD. This is the undisputed champion, accounting for a whopping 24% of all daily Forex trades. It represents the economic powerhouse of the Eurozone, a union of European countries, going head-to-head with the ever-mighty US dollar. Think of it as the clash of the titans, with the euro trying to gain or lose value against the USD. Number 2. Dollar-yen, USD/JPY. This pair features another heavyweight, the US dollar. But this time, it's facing off against the Japanese yen, which comes in second with a cool 13% share of daily Forex transactions. Japan is known for its technological prowess and stable economy, making the yen a strong contender. Watching the USD/JPY is like watching a high-stakes chess match between these two economic giants. Number 3. Cable, GBP/USD. This one has a fascinating history. The nickname cable actually comes from the transatlantic telegraph cable that was used back in the day to transmit currency quotes. Today, it represents the trading relationship between the British pound and the US dollar. The UK has a long and rich economic history, so the cable offers a chance to see how the pound stacks up against the global reserve currency, the USD. These big three pairs are so important because they reflect the economic health of some of the world's strongest countries. The constant ebb and flow of these currencies, representing billions of dollars in daily transactions, creates a dynamic and exciting environment for Forex traders. All right, so we've met the Forex All-Stars and some of the supporting cast. But why focus on these major currency pairs in the first place? Here's the deal. High liquidity. Imagine you're at a crowded party. That's what major currency pairs are like in the Forex market. There are always tons of buyers and sellers, making it easy to enter and exit trades quickly. This means you can react to market movements without getting stuck holding onto a currency you don't want. Tighter spreads. Think of the spread as the fee you pay to trade currencies. With major pairs, these spreads are typically much tighter. This means you keep more of your profits and avoid getting squeezed by transaction costs. More information power. Major currency pairs are constantly in the news, and there's a ton of analysis available from experts. This wealth of information helps you make informed trading decisions and understand the factors that can affect currency exchange rates. It's like having a whole team of analysts working for you. By focusing on major currency pairs, you get the best of both worlds, ease of trading and access to valuable information. This is a solid foundation for anyone starting their Forex trading journey. Phew, we covered a lot. What major currency pairs are, the big three rock stars. Remember, these pairs are important because they're highly liquid, have tighter spreads, and tons of information is available to help you make informed trades. This is just the first step on your Forex trading journey. There's a lot more to learn about technical analysis, fundamental factors, and risk management. Want to dive deeper? For exclusive Forex trading tips and strategies, check out the playlist we've put together just for you in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Trading Critique. And of course, before investing any real money, do your research and understand the risks involved. Happy trading, and see you next time.